Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're out here at Long Island Tire swapping the tires up to the Toyota Supra because the only reason why I got this car was to do burnouts and drifts all over. So we're about to swap these brand new babies out and get some smoky tires on this thing. Chris, what are we doing today?
We are putting tires on a brand new Supra.
It has literally, like, I've had it for 1 week and it has 1,200 miles on it already.
And it had 0 or maybe 1 when he got it. And we're putting on tires, so the guy that's out of his mind that's behind the camera, that guy, is gonna burn him the F off. I can't curse. Today. We're
gonna do it today. And then we'll be back here tomorrow to swap him back on because Chris won't stay extra for me. That made like no smoke at all. This guy's like staring. Oh my god, Roscoe. Can I trust you?
No, I don't trust myself.
Oh shit, look, it even says tires not recognized. Safety third.
Safety third.
Oh god.
Hey, you ready? You want to see burnout?
Good job. Good job, Supra, and good job, Roscoe. Oh. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh.
We made the block hot.
Yeah. Oh, your brother. Oh my god. Oh, that was close. Oh, let me put on my belt.
But if you're coming and slowing down, just keep feathering the throttle, and it'll just keep ripping.
Alright, I guess the Bushi brothers had fun today.
Yeah, you want to do some burnouts?
Yeah.
We got like a little bit of tire tread left.
Think so?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so to finish the tires off, I'm letting Irene do donuts in the Supra. They're literally, wait, don't do it yet. I just want to show them. They're literally almost done, but she's about to finish them up. So, send it. Just don't hit me. Wait, no more. Let me check. Wait. Let me check my tread. That was a lot of smoke. Hold on. Let's do this. Oh, I think we're good. There's literally no more left. Yeah, there's like no more left. I need enough just to get home. Okay, do one more. Nice! No more! That's it, Irene. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. You're scaring me. That was totally worth changing the tires. 100%. One pair of tires done in like less than 24 hours. That was like 10 hours and they're gone. I want to give a big shout out to Millennium Toyota. Without them, this car wouldn't even be possible. Like, if you guys are looking for a Supra, this car is so much fun. Make sure you hit up Millennium Toyota because they have the best deals right now on these cars. And it's worth every single penny, as you guys just saw. Like, literally, we tossed some tires on and we had so much fun tonight. So that's gonna end it over here with the Toyota Supra. Thank you guys so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button. The car is going to the tune shop to get a bunch of work done. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff, make this thing shoot flames and stuff. Maybe we'll ship it out to Cali. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.